Hello everyone, welcome back to our Hugging Face tutorial series. In today's video, we are going to explore the Hugging Face profile page. By the end of this tutorial, you will know exactly how to navigate your profile, customize it, and make it stand out in the Hugging Face community. It's a publicly visible community profile that showcases your work, helping you connect with others and highlight your progress on your AI journey towards success. To start, let's get to the profile page. On the top right corner of the website, click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, choose Profile. This will take you directly to your personal profile page. If you belong to organizations, you can also switch between your personal profile and your organization's profile in the same way. At the top of your profile page, you will see your username, profile picture, and bio. You can customize these in your account settings. A strong profile picture and a short, clear bio help others quickly understand who you are and what you work on. In this page main section, that organize your contributions. Collections, groups of resources if organized under themes. Spaces, interactive apps you've created to showcase your models. Models, all the machine learning models you've uploaded. Datasets, any datasets you've shared with the community. This makes your profile a portfolio of your AI work. Click Edit Profile or Settings. You will appear the customization page. Here, left sidebar, you can check many options. Now, we would like to explain it one by one. Profile. This section is your public-facing identity on Hugging Face. By filling in details like interest, social links, and a home page, you make your profile more professional and easier for others to connect with you. Account. Manage your basic account details such as username, display name, email address, and password. You can also update your profile picture and short bio here. Authentication. Configure login and security settings, including enabling two-factor authentication to FA. This keeps your Hugging Face account secure. Organizations. View and manage the organizations you belong to. You can create new organizations or switch between existing ones for team collaboration. Billing. Access your subscription and payment details. This is where you manage invoices, upgrade to Pro or Enterprise plans, and add payment methods. Access tokens. Generate and manage API tokens to authenticate when using Hugging Face libraries or CLI. Tokens provide secure access without needing your password. SSH and GPG keys. Add SSH or GPG keys for secure Git-based interactions with your repositories. This is useful for pushing or pulling models and datasets from the command line. Inference providers. Manage cloud or third-party providers for running inference on your models. You can connect external services that power your Hugging Face deployments. Webhooks. Set up webhooks to receive automated notifications about repository changes. This is helpful for integrating Hugging Face with external tools or workflows. Papers. Link and manage academic papers associated with your profile. This is especially useful for researchers who want to showcase their publications. Notifications. Control how and when you receive alerts about activity, messages, and updates. Options typically include email and in-platform notifications. Jobs. A newer feature for managing jobs or tasks connected to Hugging Face services. It may include training runs, scheduled tasks, or queued inference jobs. Local apps and hardware. Connect and manage Hugging Face tools installed on your local system. This section also supports integrating with available hardware for faster training divided by inference. Gated repositories. Handle access to private or restricted repositories. You can request and manage permission to use specific gated models or datasets. Content preferences. Customize how content is displayed in your feed or recommendations. This allows you to tailor your Hugging Face experience to your interests. Connected apps. Manage third-party applications linked to your Hugging Face account. This can include integrations with GitHub, Google, or other services. MCP, a technical settings area related to Hugging Face's Model Control Panel (MCP) or integrations. It's generally used by advanced users. Theme. Switch between light and dark mode for the Hugging Face interface. This affects how the site looks, making it easier on your eyes. By clicking the drop-down, you can switch between your organizational profile. Similar task you can do from the organization's submenu items of left sidebar. Click Organization Settings. You can customize your organizational profile. Your organizational profile settings let you manage your team's identity, members, billing, tokens, and advanced features. Free plans cover basics, but by clicking Subscribe to a Team or Enterprise Plan button, you can enter to enterprise grade options to unlock extra security, monitoring, and analytics for professional use. In your Hugging Face profile page is your personal hub for contributions, activity, and community presence. You can access it from the top navigation, organize your work into models, datasets, and spaces, and customize it with personal details and links. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Hugging Face tutorials.